In this video, we'll show you exactly how to wash wool safely and effectively. Wool is a natural, breathable fabric known for its softness, warmth, and durability. But it requires special care when washing. Improper handling can cause shrinking, stretching, or damage. With the right method, you can keep your wool garments clean and looking great. Let's get started. Before washing any wool garment, check the care label for specific instructions. Some items may be labeled as hand wash only, machine washable, or dry clean only. Following these guidelines is essential to avoid damage. Shake out your wool garment to remove surface dust or particles. If there are visible stains, spot clean them using a cloth dampened with cold water and a small amount of wool-safe detergent. Gently dab the stain. Never rub, as this can damage the fibers. Fill a basin or sink with cold or lukewarm water and add a small amount of mild detergent designed for wool or delicates. Submerge your wool garment and gently swirl it around for 5 to 10 minutes. Avoid twisting or scrubbing, which can cause felting. Drain the basin and refill it with clean, cold water. Gently rinse your garment by swirling it until all soap is removed. You may need to rinse a few times to ensure all detergent is out of the fibers. To remove excess water, gently press the garment between your hands or against the side of the basin. Never wring or twist it. For extra care, lay the garment flat on a clean towel, roll it up, and press to absorb additional moisture. Lay the wool item flat on a dry towel or mesh drying rack, reshaping it to its original form. Dry it away from direct sunlight or heat sources, which can shrink or distort the fibers. Never hang wool garments to dry, as this may stretch them. If the care label indicates machine washing is safe, place the garment in a mesh laundry bag and use the wool or delicate cycle with cold water. Always use a wool-safe detergent and avoid fabric softeners or bleach. Never use a dryer for wool garments, even on low heat. The intense heat and tumbling can cause irreversible shrinking and damage. Stick to air drying for best results. Store clean, dry wool items folded in a cool, dry place. Use cedar blocks or lavender sachets to deter moths. Avoid hanging heavy wool garments, as this can stretch the shoulders over time. Wool doesn't need frequent washing. To refresh between wears, air garments out in a well-ventilated area. You can also use a garment steamer to remove odors and wrinkles gently. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful fabric care tips, and share your own wool washing experiences in the comments below. Happy laundering!